Hey there, you've been diligently saving with Acorn for months, maybe even years. Your little acorns have grown into a healthy oak tree, and now you're ready to harvest the fruits of your labor. But can you actually withdraw your money? That's the question we'll be answering today. Understanding Acorn. Before we dive into the transfer process, let's quickly recap what Acorn is. It's an automated investment app designed to make saving effortless. You link your bank account, and Acorn automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Over time, these small amounts can add up to a significant sum. The transfer process. Now, let's get to the main event. Can you transfer money from Acorn? The short answer is yes, you can. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Minimum withdrawal amount. Acorn typically has a minimum withdrawal amount. This is to prevent frequent small withdrawals, which can incur fees. The exact minimum amount may vary depending on your location and the type of account you have. 2. Withdrawal methods. Acorn usually offers a few options for withdrawing your money. The most common methods include check. You can request a check to be mailed to your address. Transfer to bank account. You can transfer your funds directly to your linked bank account. ACH transfer. This is a type of electronic funds transfer that can be used to move money between bank accounts. 3. Fees. Be aware that there may be fees associated with withdrawing your money. These fees can vary depending on the withdrawal method and your account type. It's important to review Acorn's fee schedule to understand the costs involved. 4. Processing time. The time it takes for your withdrawal to process can vary. Acorn typically provides an estimated processing time, but it's always a good idea to allow for potential delays. Additional considerations. While transferring money from Acorn is generally straightforward, there are a few additional factors to consider. Tax implications. If you've earned investment gains on your Acorn account, you may need to pay taxes on those gains. It's important to consult with a tax professional to understand your specific tax obligations. Account closure. If you're planning to withdraw all of your money from Acorn and close your account, make sure to follow the correct procedures. This may involve submitting a request to Acorn or taking other necessary steps. Real-life example. Let's say you've been using Acorn for 3 years and have accumulated $5,000 in your investment account. You decide it's time to withdraw the money and use it for a down payment on a house. You follow the steps outlined by Acorn, select the transfer to bank account option, and specify the amount you want to withdraw. After a few days, the funds appear in your bank account. Conclusion. So, can you transfer money from Acorn? Absolutely. As long as you meet the minimum withdrawal requirements and understand the associated fees and processing times, you can easily access your funds. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can confidently withdraw your money and put it to good use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.